Hello, hello, hello. This is Stephanie Deeds and
John
Deeds with Point Realty. And we wanted to talk to you today about, in our last video, we had talked about the name of our company being Point Realty, and we thought that we might introduce you to the idea and inspiration behind that name. So, John, you want to start us off here?
Yeah. Bandit. So Bandit is our 2-year-old English pointer, and we jokingly have a love-hate relationship with this dog. He is the most loyal as the day is long dog, the best cuddler you will ever meet. And what are some of the other qualities, Stephanie, that you think?
Well, definitely loyalty. Like, sometimes he gets yelled at and in trouble, but he still comes back for all the cuddles. But he is the most driven animal I have ever seen. He spots himself a bird or a butterfly or a bee. I've never seen a dog hunt bees or butterflies before, but he gets on the most beautiful point and he will spend 20 minutes chasing the same butterfly. He does not get bored. So, you know, between his loyalty and his drivenness, like, I mean, obviously he's not selling houses, he's chasing butterflies, but just the spirit in which he does it, we felt super inspired by. Do you remember what the third thing was?
Boundless energy.
Boundless energy. We had some people at our house the other day and they looked at me and said, does he do that like all day, every day? And my answer was yes. Yes, he does. This dog does not rest. He is constantly running through the yard, chasing something, looking for something. He circles the pool when the kids are in it. Like, he cannot be still. Now, we've never seen a dog sleep harder than this one does. But when he is awake, he is constantly working. So it was actually John's idea to name the company after him. Do you want to talk about that a little bit? I don't know. You brought it to me as your idea. So.
I think that we were looking for names of a business that, you know, were unique, were our own, and we didn't want to be too generic. We wanted something personal, I think, and something that meant a lot to Stephanie and I, and something that signified, you know, this is our business, this is how we're going to run it, and this is where we're going to go. And so that's when we chose Bandit and all of his craziness to be the logo of Point Realty. And we're really happy with the way the logo came out, and we've gotten a lot of really great feedback. So we have, but we really just want everybody to know that there is a reason behind it. I mean, his personality, and again, the loyalty, the energy, his drivenness, and how hard he works to really, you know, as a dog, it is work, right? Like, the chasing and the pointing and whatever, like, for him, that is work, right? And we joke too, when we take him for a walk, you know, you see dogs that get distracted by all the different scents and they see another animal, or they just, when you put a leash on this dog, he puts his head down and he goes to work. And I think we really just felt like, maybe, you know, could you say it's silly to name a business after a dog? Maybe so, but he has so many traits that we thought, this is what we want to be, not just for our clients, but for the other agents who come and work under our umbrella. I mean, we really want to take care of our clients in a way that is similar to the way Bandit does life. But also, as we bring new agents into the brokerage, it is super important to us to be able to help educate them and teach them and mentor them and train them and have loyalty to them in the same way that we have found in Bandit. So, do you have anything else you want to say, honey? I don't think so.
I don't think so. Bless you.
That pretty much sums it up.
Yeah, that pretty much sums it up. So thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the name and the reason behind it and everything. We're real interested in everybody's feedback. I think we've kind of hit a home run with the name, but I'd love to know what everyone wants, what everyone thinks. If I could speak, that would be great. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a good one.